Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2016 short wheelbase 6-doored Vauxhall Vivaro EcoFlex. Now this does come to you in a lovely white with 3 Coffline seats as well at the front. This does also come with 47,000 miles upon the clock. So just taking you around the vehicle now, I will just open up the door from the passenger side just to show you the interior. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we've got 3 Coffline seats, armrest for comfort for the driver. This is a 6-speed manual gearbox. It does also come with an eco mode as well if you'd like to improve the emissions and mile per gallon put on your vehicle. And the load area in the back, as you can see, is ply-line interior lit. It is very nice and bright in here with some very white LEDs. And there is, of course, a clean, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Vauxhall Vivaro, there will be a link to it in the description down below, or you can come to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to check it out for yourself.